I'm going to walk you through weekly and monthly maintenance on the Siemens Atellica. First, we'll go over weekly maintenance. You will need lamp coolant, IM Cleaner 9, reagent water, bleach solution, and gauze or lint-free tissues. To check the water trap, open the front right door of the IM module. We are looking for liquid or condensation inside the water trap. If there is none, we can return to the maintenance screen and mark this task as complete. If there is liquid or condensation inside, stop the IM or put it into diagnostics mode. To empty the water trap, unscrew the cap and dispose of the liquid inside. Once the water trap is replaced, you may resume the analyzer and mark this task as complete. To check the IM dryer, open the front door of the IM module. The IM dryer is the clear blue container on the right side. We are looking for condensation. If there is none, we can return to the maintenance screen and mark this task as complete. If there is condensation, bring the IM into diagnostics mode. To remove the dryer, pull down and hold the lever on the side of the dryer. While holding down the lever, turn the dryer jar to bring the lever to the front. Pull the dryer jar down and away from the top. Remove the insert and dispose of any liquid. Replace the insert and insert the dryer jar into the dryer top. Turn the jar until it clicks into place. Once the jar is replaced, you may resume the analyzer and mark this task as complete. To see if the lamp coolant needs topping off, bring the chemistry module into diagnostics mode. Under Subsystems, select Lamp and Checking the Lamp Coolant. Once the analyzer is prepared, open the chemistry front cover. The lamp coolant is directly behind the IMT fluids. If the coolant fluid is not visible, unscrew the small screw cap and add more coolant. Screw the cap on, close the cover, and exit diagnostics. Mark the task complete under the maintenance screen. To clean the reagent probes, pause the IM module and open the back cover. You will need gauze or lint-free tissues, IM cleaner, and reagent water. In a gentle downward motion, wipe the visible portion of the probes using gauze dampened with IM cleaner. Repeat with gauze dampened with reagent water. You can now mark this task as complete. You may leave the back cover open while you do the next task, cleaning the sample tip drip tray. The sample tip drip tray is located in the back side of the IM module. Remove the drip tray by loosening the thumb screws. Dampen gauze or lint-free tissues with bleach solution and remove any junk from the drip tray. You can follow with reagent water to remove bleach residue, then dry with gauze. Replace the drip tray by tightening the thumb screws. Anytime the drip tray is cleaned, it is important to follow with emptying and filling the incubation ring. Close the IM cover. After cleaning the sample tip drip tray, we empty and fill the incubation ring to ensure that nothing dripped that would affect patient testing. Bring the IM module into diagnostics mode. Under Subsystems, select Incubation Ring and Empty and Fill Ring. Once started, the analyzer will take about 30 minutes to refill the incubation ring. When it finishes, you may exit diagnostics and mark the task as complete. Let's go over monthly maintenance. You will need paper towels, alcohol pads, reagent water, IM Cleaner 9, and spare filters, which can be found near the orange toolbox in chemistry. There are 2 fan filters on the back of the chemistry module and 1 on the back of the IM module. Slide the filters out of their slots and inspect for damage. Rinse the filters with tap water, tap to remove excess water, and let them air dry. While those dry, swap in the spare fan filters. Slide them in with the plastic grid out towards you. To inspect the probe wash stations, put the chemistry module into diagnostics mode. Under Subsystems, select Inspect and Clean, then Inspecting and Cleaning Probe Wash Stations. Once unlocked, open the front and back covers. There are 5 probe wash stations to be inspected and cleaned. Cover the cuvettes with a paper towel to protect them from debris. If there is any debris in the ports, wipe it off with an alcohol pad. When you are done, remove the paper towels, close the cover, and complete the activity. You can mark this task as completed in the maintenance screen. With the chemistry module in diagnostics mode, under subsystems, select Inspect and Clean, then Inspecting and Cleaning CH probes and mixer impellers. Once unlocked, open the front and back covers. There are 4 probes and 2 mixers to be inspected and cleaned. Wipe off any debris with an alcohol pad. When you are done, close the covers and exit diagnostics. You can mark this activity as completed. To clean the aspirate probes, stop the IM module and unlock the front cover. There are 2 sets of aspirate probes in front. Each probe can be carefully lifted a small amount, then wiped down with gauze dampened with IM cleaner. Wipe again with gauze dampened with reagent water. Once the probes are cleaned, close the cover and mark the task as complete. That concludes our tutorial. If you need any additional help, please visit Siemens PEP Connect. Thank you for watching.